Welcome to GIS 215, GIS Data Models, taught at Asheville-Buncombe Technical Community College in Asheville, North Carolina. This video gives you a brief overview of how this course is organized, so it should help you to familiarize yourself with the course and be successful throughout the semester. The course is organized using a blog online. The URL or the web address for this blog can be seen here, gis215.blogspot.com. This is where you'll find information about the course throughout the semester. To get started, let's look over on the right side and learn a little bit about the course. We use a book called Modeling Our World. It's the second edition of this book, which the cover you see here is the first edition. Please get the second edition. You can also read a little bit through the course syllabus, look at the class schedule, as well as our lab policies. Let's briefly look at some of the course syllabus, but know that you are responsible for going through this syllabus in detail and making sure you understand exactly what's expected of you this semester. Here you'll see my contact information. There is a description of the course, the textbook, and the course outcomes. This course is where we really work with the different GIS data models and formats, including conversion between GIS data formats, designing spatial databases, as well as creating them, and we also do GPS in this class. The college has some general education outcomes that you should also be familiar with. You are required to have a USB device. 4 gigabytes is recommended. You will be evaluated through a series of lecture concept tests, hands-on lab quizzes, labs, and a final project. You are required to attend this class regularly to be successful in it, and you must attend class in the first 10% of the meetings, or you will not be able to continue with the class and will not get a refund. Please make every effort to be here for test. You need to contact me before you will miss a test if you miss a test. And assignments have a late penalty of 25%. Academic integrity, if you are caught cheating in this class, you will receive a 0 for the assignment. The second time, you will be kicked out of the class and sent to the Vice President of Student Services. Disability support services. If you need any special consideration for test taking or note taking, anything at all, please work with Disability Support Services and myself, and we'll get you whatever you need. We're a non-smoking campus or chewing of tobacco as well. Please communicate with me this semester. If you have any problems, if you need to miss a class, if you need help on anything, I'm available to you. If you communicate with me throughout the semester, it will alleviate any problems we may have with anything in this class. Communication is very important. Please make sure that you check your student email often or forward it to an email that you do check often. Again, please review the syllabus in detail. A quick look at the schedule. If you look at the schedule, you'll notice there are no dates or due dates. It's really more an order of events in which things will happen. We'll do a first project to get you used to ArcGIS again. We'll work with ESRI data formats. Then we work with CAD data. We then have a virtual campus class we work with. We have a big campus project where we build a campus geodatabase. And final project work, as well as time to GPS. The other things you want to know about this class is that the course information are organized into modules. You'll see Module 1 is up here at the top of the blog. It has an introduction to the class, a review of ArcGIS, data models, and Project 1. Each module is an attempt for me to organize the information in a way that makes it easy for you to understand or synthesize. So each module will have a set of learning objectives, terms to know, a reading assignment, and an active learning exercise or an assignment. One module may very well last longer than 1 week. This week, make sure to review ArcGIS from your GIS 111 class. It's really a review of ArcGIS desktop concepts from ArcMap, ArcCatalog, and ArcToolbox. Make sure these look familiar to you. If they don't, do a little bit of review on them before we get deep into our class. Then we'll jump right into looking at data models and data formats, some terms to know. You can browse through this PowerPoint. It should guide your reading from Chapter 1 of the Modeling Our World book, as well as you can see a video of the lecture or PowerPoint on YouTube here. So after you step through this part of the module and watch this video on the lecture, jump right into the active learning exercise. The active learning exercise this week is not meant to be really difficult or anything new. It's meant to be a review from GIS 111 and give you a chance to get back into ArcMap and ArcCatalog and start getting used to it again before we start learning new material and new concepts with the software this semester. Please finish this first project by the time you walk into class next week, and we will look at each other's work next